In this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze backlinks and referring domains, two of the most important factors when it comes to improving your website's SEO. If you're serious about driving traffic, boosting rankings, or building a solid SEO strategy, understanding how to analyze these elements is crucial. Stick around till the end because I'll show you the best tool for the job, and I've got an exclusive offer just for you. Backlinks and referring domains are key factors search engines use to determine your site's authority. Backlinks are links from other websites pointing to yours, and referring domains are the unique websites that are linking to you. The more high-quality backlinks and referring domains you have, the stronger your website's authority will be in the eyes of Google and other search engines. So, how do you analyze them? First, you'll want to find a tool that gives you detailed insights. I've tested several popular options, and I'll recommend the best one later in the video. Once you have a tool, start by entering your website's URL. The tool will then show you a list of all the backlinks pointing to your site. You want to check the quality of these links. Look for links from authoritative sites, those that have a high domain authority or are topically relevant to your niche. Links from spammy sites or low-quality pages can actually harm your SEO, so they need to be disavowed. Next, move on to referring domains. These are the actual websites that are linking to you. The more unique referring domains you have, the better. A lot of backlinks from the same site won't be as valuable as having a wide range of websites linking to you. Aim for a diverse set of referring domains from trusted sources in your industry. Now, let's talk about anchor text. The anchor text is the clickable text in the link. Ideally, you want a natural mix of branded, generic, and keyword-rich anchor texts. Too many exact match keyword anchors can look manipulative to search engines, so diversify your anchor text strategy. As you're analyzing, pay attention to the link type, whether they are do follow or no follow. Do follow links pass link equity or SEO value, while no follow links don't. Both types of links are valuable, but do follow links are the ones that help your SEO the most. Also, check the link placement. Links that are placed within the main body of the content are more valuable than those buried in footers or sidebars. A link from a piece of content relevant to your site's topic will have much more impact. One key metric to track is the link juice flow, or the amount of SEO value a backlink passes to your website. Tools can help you understand how link juice flows from different domains to your site and whether there are any potential issues to address. Now, to give you a better idea of how all of this works, I'm going to recommend a tool that I've personally used to analyze backlinks and referring domains. It's the most user-friendly tool out there and offers detailed reports that break down the quality of your backlinks, your referring domains, and much more. The best part? I've worked out an exclusive free trial for you to use the tool and follow along with this video. Just check the description below for the link. To recap, here's what you need to take away from this video. Backlinks and referring domains are essential for improving your website's SEO. Focus on the quality of your backlinks. Aim for a diverse set of referring domains. Keep an eye on anchor text and link placement. And always track how link juice flows to your site. And before I close, remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's the perfect opportunity to dive deeper into backlink analysis and optimize your site's SEO strategy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.